I bet you didn't know that pumas can't roar like lions and tigers. Crazy, right? A fun fact about pumas, also known as mountain lions, cougars, or panthers, is that they can't roar like big cats such as lions or tigers. Instead, they have their own unique way of communicating. Imagine this. Pumas purr, chirp, whistle, growl, and even scream. Yep, you heard that right. They let out something called the mountain screech, which sounds eerily like a human scream. Just picture a big cat going rah in the middle of the forest. Spooky, huh? So next time you hear a weird scream in the wilderness, don't panic. It might just be a puma saying hello. Pretty wild, right? Stay curious, friends, and keep exploring the wonders of nature.